So thank you so much, Wendell, for doing this testimonial for us. I'm just going to ask you a few questions. Can you tell us what your overall feelings are about having your procedure with Baha Med?
My overall feelings is I was treated excellently. They did a fine job. Overall, an awesome experience. If you have to have a procedure done, it was an awesome experience.
Well, thank you for that. And can you tell me a little bit about any barriers with your physicians?
There were no barriers. Dr. Serrano was excellent. We talked to him maybe half a dozen times, I'm thinking, before we even left Canada. And we were pretty well had our ducks lined up before we even got here. So that was good. And then they met us at the airport and brought us in on the medical line across the border and took excellent care of us.
And can you comment a little about your time leading toward your surgery? Was the communication adequate?
Oh yes, communication was adequate. They went over the procedures, they went over how I would feel afterwards, they went over some exercises to do, and basically what they were going to do to me. They went through it step by step.
Perfect. Were your questions answered thoroughly before and after surgery?
Oh, absolutely. Questions that I had, and I had lots of them. And they made me feel like they answered them correctly, and I felt good about the whole procedure.
Tell me about your feelings regarding safety and security since you arrived in Tijuana.
Oh, no issues there whatsoever. I mean, this place is just as secure as what I feel like in Canada at home. No, this is very good.
Okay. What do you feel are the advantages of having your procedure in Tijuana?
Well, there again, the whole thing that can be done specifically to your needs. And we timed it in between our work and what worked for them, and they made it work for us. So I was very happy with that. And we were within 24 hours from leaving home, we were getting work done.
Okay. What is your opinion of the healthcare provided by Baha Med Group compared to your country?
Oh, very, very, very comparable, I would say, as good, for sure. No issues there whatsoever. Like I said, we were treated like everybody cared about you, wanted to get you fixed up. That made you feel good.
Did you feel like you have personalized attention with your physicians?
Oh, absolutely. Dr. Serrano was very, very personable. Like I said, we talked to him at least 6 times before we left Canada, and he come to see me. We were barely here 2 hours, and he come to see me here at the recovery center. He was in on the operation, and he come to see us afterwards, and then afterwards, and he just answered every question we had, went over some exercises to do. No, very good.
Do you have any comments about the hospital in which you had your procedure?
Comments? Comments are it's just like being in Canada. The hospitals are clean, they're modern. What you see in a hospital in Canada, you see here. I mean, it's same thing.
Can you comment about your experience as a whole at Baha Med from the moment you arrived to this point?
Absolutely excellent experience. Like I said, they treated us good. No problem with security, no problem with anything. They made you feel like a patient should feel.
And would you feel comfortable recommending our practice to family and friends?
Oh, absolutely, and I have actually. And it's an alternative that can be easily done, and I recommend it to people, my friends and family.
Well, thank you so much for your recommendation, and